Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this a small video about Euro USD and Pound USD weekly chart setup for next week. So let's get started. This is the Euro USD chart I made on the 29th April, right? Saying that, okay, somewhere here, because there is a divergence going on and, the 78.6% and 1069, blah, 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 3 or 4 different reasons, a confluence. So I said it is going to drop from there, hopefully, right? And come down to maybe 0761 or even 0635. That would be the idea from on April 29. Now, the other chart, similarly, GU, I had this one, same day I made that, okay, it is just below the TL, the sloping TL. So it might go up a little bit, hit the TL, and then drop. You see this yellow mark? From here to the TL. That means it's going to go up first, hit the TL, and then drop. So these were two setups. And then what happened? This is also 29 April. But the thing is that when the price is going up, nobody knows how long it's going to take to get to the target and reverse. So I'm always looking for the reversals, right? So these two were the idea that, okay, they're going to reverse from these areas, right? So what happened to these charts? Let's take a look. The pound, where's Euro USD? Okay, Euro USD, it started to drop right from there. Last week was the big one, right? So last week, whole week, which we ended last Friday, it dropped nice and clean. Similarly, pound USD also dropped exactly from the TL. It went up, hit the TL, and dropped, as I mentioned earlier, right? So, and then if they start doing that, if I'm looking for the reversal and the reversal happens, what do I do? So I took these two short, pound USD, you can see my setup, beautiful setup by my system, and I took this one to the downside for 90 pip. This is pound USD, and then Euro USD also. Oh, this is a weekly chart. Where's the trade? Okay, here's the trade. It's 85 pip, beautiful short setup. Now this is the beginning. You can see the charts. They barely just drop a little bit, right? And they have a long way to go. So these are the setups. They are still intact and they are just started to play out. And hopefully next week and the following week, we can have some nice short trades in these two. The biggest reason why that is happening is the US dollar index. Now, the US dollar index chart I made was this on the 10th, May 10th, that it is going to go from here to there, or maybe, halfway, whatever, but to the upside, right? And the main number was 0893 is the key number. And this chart so far has done this. You see that? In 3 days, 10th, 11th, 12th, it went up this whole week. Beautiful, big, powerful bullish candle for the week that telling us that it's going to go up. It is also already above this number, as well as 1026, which is a very big number, the monthly number, right? So it went up, and more to come. So if this thing is going up, USD is getting strong, and pound USD and Euro USD going to drop. So be ready, and whatever the system you use it. I'm going to use my entry system, which is IB system. I showed you the couple of trades already I took, and Euro USD and pound USD, right? So that is for the setup. But now I'm going to have to tell you something. Let me see. Okay, now, if you are new in this business and you want to learn everything from the start to finish, A to Z, everything has to do with Forex and trading, right? I have this one-on-one course on my website. Let me see here, right? Okay, this is my website, and this is the one-on-one course, coaching course over Zoom. It is a 10-hour course, each session 1 hour. Within 30 days, we have to finish that, right? Where I'll be teaching all of this. What? How to do technical analysis of monthly, weekly, daily charts, draw the trend lines, how to do the channels, Fibonacci tool, how to fix it, expansion, Fibonacci retracement, expansion, and extension, right? How to identify SNL levels, which one are good, which one to work with. And then the candlestick formation, on top of that, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, and how to find the targets. Once you open the trade, it is very important to understand and know where the target is, right? So that these are all the things, and you're going to be a part of my Telegram group for the whole year. And you will be the member of my website, where you will be attending my webinars twice a week, Wednesday and Sunday, 4:30 p.m. Eastern time. Right. So all of this, the whole year membership, Telegram, and you're going to learn all this in 10 hours with me. This was always $9.97, right? Which is, very easy to recover within 2 week or two after you do it in the trades, right? Now, right now, from now, today is Saturday, right? So from now on till, my son put the date here. Okay, from May 13 till May 19, next Friday, 2023, I'm offering a 50% discount. That is the saving of 500. Why? Because there's a couple of people, they were asking me for the longest time, so I decided to go, just go ahead and do it. But I said, well, let me open the window for anybody who wants to join and need this a discount, right? So here's the opportunity. Get in. I cannot take too many people. You know that I am the only one who have to do it. One-on-one teaching personally, and my throat, it can do only so much a day, right? So limited spots available, and I can take only, like I said, there's so many people. So if you are in need of learning this business, Forex, and any other trading, like stocks, bonds, or commodities, metals, gold, anything you can trade with this system. DAX, NASDAQ, S&P 500, US 30, gold, silver, anything you want, right? Different settings, and that's what I will be teaching, every single thing. And on top of that, this week, if you sign up, then my son is going to get into your computer and set up everything. Even though if you have to download a new MT4, he will download the new MT4, add all the indicators, EAs, alarm, everything, open the 40-minute chart, 20-minute chart for at least 5-6 pairs, and set up every single thing for you, and he will record everything. He will record it and give you the recording for the future reference whenever you need, or you want to do it on your own and perfect the thing. You can watch the video and do it yourself. Okay, so remember, this is going on only for 1 week. So get in there, sign up now if you want to master this business, and take it from there. All right. So this is it for now, and I think I will be today's Saturday. Yeah. So I'm going to be doing my webinar, a regular webinar on Sunday, 4 p.m. So if you sign up now, from now till 4 p.m., you will be able to get in there. There are some other very, very nice setups going on. So I'll be explaining that in my webinar. All right. So this is it, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the bell icon so that you can get my videos quickly and on time. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.